We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm warnings for portions of Montague County, Wise County, Denton County, and Cook County until 11 p.m. Shortly before 10, these thunderstorms are located along a line extending from near Gainesville over to Forestburg, moving south at 35 miles per hour. Some of these storms are capable of 70-mile-per-hour winds and golf ball size hail. Once again, severe thunderstorm warnings issued for Montague County, northeastern Wise County, well, all of Wise County, Denton County, and Cook County until 11 p.m. Severe thunderstorms along a line moving into the northwest, 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and potential golf ball size hail. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
There we go.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm warnings for southeastern Young County, southwestern Wise County, southern Jack County, Parker County, and Palo Pinto County until 11:30. Severe thunderstorms are located along a line extending from near Boonesville to south of Bryson in Jack County, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. These storms may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-hour portions of Young, Wise, Jack, Palo Pinto, and Parker counties until 11:30. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. As we alert other stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm warnings. Several severe thunderstorms are located near, north, and west of Fort Worth and southeast at 45 miles per hour. These 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for portions of Wise, Denton, Eastern Parker, and all of Tarrant County until 11:45. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued severe thunderstorm warnings now for Somerville County, Johnson County, Parker County, Southwestern County, and Kirby County until 12:30. Severe thunderstorms are located along the line extending from the White Settlement to 9 miles north of White County, moving southeast at about 40 miles per hour. These storms may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Once again, severe thunderstorm warnings now for Somerville, and of course, right now,
What? Whoa.
And of course, right now, thunderstorms.
I've never had that happen before. Damn it.
More focused emergency. City to Heath near Mesquite, all moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. These storms have had a history of producing strong wind gusts, maybe 65 miles per hour, and quarter-sized hail. Once again, the severe thunderstorm warning is being extended onto the east to southeastern side of the Dallas-Fort Worth area, including Rockwall County, southwestern Hunt County, Van Zandt County, Kaufman County, Rains County, and southeastern Dallas County until 12:30. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
Do it again.
Programming is requested to the National Weather Service. Activate North Texas emergency alert. The National Weather Service issued new severe thunderstorm warnings for northeastern county. 12:30. Numerous severe thunderstorms are located across North Texas, including severe thunderstorms in Los Angeles and the southeast of Texas. Also, strong wind gusts have been noted from storms along the eastern Dallas border with Mesquite, Lost Springs, Pflugerville, between I-30 and Interstate 20. Once again, the severe thunderstorm warning is issued for northeastern Tarrant County, for Dallas County, and for Ellis County until 12:30. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
Here we go again.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate North Texas emergency alert system.
Oh, extension.
In Ellis counties until 1:15. One severe thunderstorm is located near Cleburne, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. This storm is indicating potential 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Again, this storm is near Cleburne, moving to the southeast toward Hill County. That's a severe thunderstorm warning for Johnson into Hill County until 1:15. Also, an extension of the Ellis County severe thunderstorm warning and Navarro County until 1. Located along the line. Down to Bardwell, quickly moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour wind and severe thunderstorm warnings extended from Johnson, Ellis, Hill, and Navarro counties until 1:15.
Another station decided it was a fun idea to bleed in. Do it again. I cannot even hear this. Oh, goodness gracious, this station is in the way. Yes, I just got it. For Christ's sake, the station's doing this on purpose. Oh, come on.
Programming with request to the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System 2025. The National Weather Service issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central T-RAF in north central Texas. Severe until 2:30. Severe thunderstorm is located near Huckabee, about 7 miles west of Stephenville, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. The storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour winds and quarter-sized hail. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning for central.
What the heck?
Eastern Williamson County until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time. 1:53 Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near General, or 10 miles northwest of Granger, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Taylor, Granger, Atoll, Bartlett, Gerald, Thrall, Weir, Granger Dam, Copeland, Fian, Rice's Crossing, Lanaport, Hoxie, Bearsville, Waterloo, Hare, Walberg, Shortner, Jonah, and Noke. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging winds, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. You're low immediately. Lightning is one of nature's. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 156, effective until 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
Jesus.
This watch includes the following counties: Bastrop, Burnett, Caldwell, Hayes, Lee, Travis, and Williamson. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. A severe National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Williamson County, northeastern Travis County, northwestern Lee County, until 5 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:53 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Rogers to Salado to 13 miles southwest of Event, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Round Rock, Cedar Park, Georgetown, Pflugerville, Taylor, Burnett, Granger, Bertram, Lexington, Saraneta, Windmere, Buchanan Dam, Leander, Hutto, Bartlett, Liberty Hill, Gerald, Florence, Thrall, and Buchanan Lake Village. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging winds, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The National Weather Service has...
Heck. That's not even a doubleheader. Come on, WX.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Bastrop County, Southeastern Lee County, Central Fayette County, until 5 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:55 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Fedora or near Giddings, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Giddings, LaGrange, Schulenburg, Fayetteville, Swiss Alp, Dubina, Rudisville, Northup, Warrenton, Ledbetter, Waldeck, Lobau, Plum, Emmonsville, Hills, Lincoln, Mullins Prairie, Nechanitz, Manheim, and Serban. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging winds, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Southeastern Texas, Waller County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Polk County in southeastern Texas, Harris County in southeastern Texas, south central Rockford County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Austin County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Burleson County in southeastern Texas, northern Portland County in southeastern Texas, Central Daylight Time. For 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Hunt Island to near Splendor to near Woodland to near Minnesota to 9 miles north of Caldwell, moving south at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northwestern Pasadena, College Station, southern Bryan, northern Baytown, Conroe, Deer Park, Bel Air, Brenham, Humboldt, West University Place, Keene, Helena Park, Tomball, Central City, Liberty, Cleveland, Jersey Village, Dayton, Navasota, and Hempstead. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is...
That was a weird cutoff.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Williamson County, Central Caldwell County, Central Hayes County, Travis County, Blanco County, Northeastern Gillespie County, Llano County, Bastrop County, Lee County, Central Fayette County, Burnett County, until 5:30 a.m. Central 4:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Tota Pflugerville to near Elgin near Caldwell, moving south at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized.
Hear that?
Falls, Kingsland, Giddings, LaGrange, Smithville, Leno, Dripping Springs, and Granger. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging winds, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
And I'm barely under it.
Eastern Austin County in southeastern Texas, Galveston County in southeastern Texas, Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, Chambers County in southeastern Texas, Southern Waller County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Liberty County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Matagorda County in southeastern Texas, southern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 6 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:59 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Nome to Baytown to Greater South Union to West Chase to 7 miles north of San Felipe, moving south at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pasadena, Heroin, Lake City, Sugar Land, Baytown, Missouri City, Galveston Island West End, Galveston Causeway, Texas City, Friendswood, LaPorte, Deer Park, Rosenberg, Lake Jackson, Alvin, Angleton, Dickinson, Stafford, South Houston, and Belen. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof. Locations impacted include Brentwood, Shelby, Innisford, Brittany, Bellsburg, New Ulm, and Corey.